Okay, so after it's been burning for a little over 3 hours, you can see that we do have the aluminum foil in there, which is going to be encased, have the jewelry encased in it. Go ahead and get this extra wax shaken off of here. Pull it out gently. Miss some of it. Good. Don't want to waste none of this wonderful smelling wax. I'll lay that down. See if I can pull out this extra wax in here, because I really don't want ugly wax laying in my beautiful candle. A little bit more in there. There we go. I think we got it all. Okay, so again, a little over 3 hours. Looks wonderful. It is barely burnt down. This is the birthday candle one. Birthday cake, and believe you me, it smells like some wonderful cake cooking. Alright, so we're going to set this down here so we can see what's actually, oops, sorry about that. Just set this on a box here. Well, maybe I won't set it on a box. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and see if I can do this while I'm maneuvering this around here. Here. My. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to send some plastic bag. Got quite a bit of wax on it. And grab a paper towel. Just going to clean it off a little bit. Okay. This stuff's kind of slick. It's toy. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Beautiful little ring. Okay, I'm going to clean it off a little bit. I'll have you know that whenever I chose this candle, I chose for a random. So I did not pick a ring size. I did not pick a ring. I gave jewelry and candles the choice of putting in my candle whatever they chose. Because I am a distributor, I don't wear jewelry, so it was not a big deal to me. Okay. Now this is sterling silver. Sorry about that. Here's the ring. And inside the ring, it does have the mark. Sorry, trying to do this with my phone. Sometimes it is not the most pleasurable experience. Now, hold on a second. Let me see if we can get it at a different angle here. Okay. You can't really read it, but it says 525, which means that it is sterling silver. So here's the finished product. And I have several hours left of this wonderful smelling candle.